Hey everyone, my name is Lane Walker. I'm doing big data in Germany. What is big data? Big data is data that contains a greater variety, arriving in increasing volumes and with more velocity. It is larger and more complex that is difficult or impossible to process using traditional methods. The three V's of big data: volume, which is the amount of data; velocity, which is the rate data is received and used; and variety, the types of data available: unstructured, semi-structured, and structured. Who is using big data? Big data is being utilized across almost every sector to gain insights, make informed decisions, and drive innovation. Some of the positive impacts are improved data decisions, innovation, efficiency, personalization, and healthcare advancements. The negative impacts are privacy concerns, bias and discrimination, security risk, job displacements, and digital divide. A data analyst's key role is to review data and determine how to solve problems using data, learn critical insights about a business customers, and boost profits. They make around $90K per year, and some of the skills are programming, communication, problem solving, and data visualization skills are needed to be successful. Where are they using big data? The top countries using big data is the United States, Japan, People's Republic of China, the United Kingdom, and Germany. Healthcare. Big data analytics enables healthcare providers to make more informed decisions by analyzing vast amounts of patient data, including medical records and lab results. Finance. Big data analytics is crucial for identifying and mitigating financial risk in areas such as credit risk, market risk, and fraud detection. And small cities, or smart cities. Big data is used to optimize urban planning and infrastructure development in smart cities. Why are they using big data? The company in Germany that I chose is Bosch. Their strengths are predictive maintenance, product innovation, and smart manufacturing. Some of the weaknesses are data privacy, data quality, and complexity. And the opportunities are Bosch is to drive innovation by gaining customer feedback and usage data. And some of the threats are security risk, integrity, brand risk, and dependency on technology. When are they using big data? I believe almost everyone will be using big data in the next 5 years due to the widespread migration to cloud and new ways of processing data and advancements in artificial intelligence. We can do more with big data. How is Germany using big data? I chose goal 11, which is sustainable cities and communities. Germany employs big data analytics to optimize urban planning, transportation systems, and waste management. I also chose goal 7, which is affordable and clean energy. And Germany leverages big data to optimize energy production, distribution, and consumption. And goal 4, quality education. Educational institutes in Germany leverage big data to track student progress, optimize curriculum design, and provide targeted support to students who may be at risk of falling behind. 2 truths and a lie. Germany is one of the top countries using big data. Volume, velocity, and variety are the 3 V's of big data. And security risk is something not to worry about in big data. Thank you.